1 in the morning and I still haven't been to sleep because of this noise. Philip, snoring. Stop snoring.
Who?
You're snoring.
No, I wasn't.
You were snoring. Shush.
Okay. Sorry.